Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. What is information? How reality stores and transfers data? What if I told you that right now everything around you is information? The sound you hear, the light in your eyes, the thoughts in your mind, even this voice is information moving through reality. But what is information? Really, is it just data, numbers, signals, or is it something deeper, something woven into the structure of the universe? Today, we're going to slow down and explore how reality stores, moves, and transforms information, and why it changes how you see everything. Take a breath and listen closely. Let's begin. Part 1. What information actually is. At its simplest, information is a difference, a distinction, a change, something that tells one state apart from another. Light on instead of off, sound instead of silence, a 1 instead of a 0. Information is not the thing itself. It is the pattern, the arrangement, the meaning inside change without difference. There is no information without information. Nothing can be known. Part 2. Information in the physical world. Every physical system stores information. A book stores words, a computer stores bits, but atoms also store information in their position, energy, interaction. A rock holds a history, pressure, heat, time. Your body holds information encoded in DNA, shaped by experience, changing every moment. Reality is not just matter, it is matter carrying information. Part 3. Information and energy. Information does not move alone. It travels with energy. When you speak, your voice vibrates air. Sound waves carry patterns from your mind to someone else. When you see, light carries information from the world into your eyes. Energy is the vehicle. Information is the message. And every interaction is both. Part 4. How information moves. Information flows through signals, through systems, through interaction. A text message becomes electrical signals, becomes radio waves, becomes light on a screen. Then meaning in your mind. At every step, the form changes, but the information stays. This is encoding and decoding. Reality is constantly translating information from one form to another. Part 5. Information and meaning. Information alone is not meaning. Meaning happens in interpretation. The same signal can mean nothing or everything. Language you don't know is noise. A language you understand becomes meaning. Information becomes meaningful when it connects to patterns in your mind. Part 6. Information in the brain. Your brain is an information system. Every second, billions of signals move between neurons. Patterns form, memories build, decisions appear. You are not just experiencing reality, you are interpreting it, rebuilding it. What you see is not raw reality, it is your brain's model of data. Part 7. Information and time. Information is tied to time. The past is stored information, the present is incoming information. The future is predicted information. Memory is stored data. Perception is real-time data. Expectation is projected data. Your sense of time is how information flows through your mind. Part 8. Information cannot be easily destroyed. In physics, information does not simply vanish. It can change form, spread, become harder to trace, but it leaves traces, even when something seems gone. Information remains somewhere, encoded in structure, in change, in effects. Part 9. The universe as information. Some scientists think the universe itself may be information, not just matter, not just energy, but patterns, relationships, structure, galaxies, particles, space itself, all as information systems, interacting, changing, evolving. In this view, you are not just in the universe. You are part of an information system inside a larger one. Part 10. Why this changes everything. If reality is information, then your thoughts matter, your attention matters. What you focus on changes what your brain processes, and what your brain processes becomes your experience. You are always filtering, selecting, interpreting. So your inner world is not fixed. It is flexible, changing, alive. Now pause. Everything you see, everything you hear, everything you feel is information, moving, flowing, changing right now. And without noticing, you are receiving it, processing it, becoming it. And as you sit here, listening, more information is still arriving, still forming patterns, still shaping what you experience. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.